Hey guys, I recently picked myself up a brand new air pistol, and what I got was the Webley Nemesis. I picked this up on a really good Black Friday sale, and I really don't want to mention the price because I don't want to be accused of selling anything, but let's just say I got it for about 42% lower than the going price. This is a really well-made air gun. It's a CO2 powered air gun, 177 caliber. The CO2 tank goes in here. It's in this portion under the barrel. It is a bolt action. You can use it as a single shot, or it does come with a magazine. We have a green fiber optic sight in the front, red in the rear. You pull off this plate on the bottom here, and that is your tool to install the CO2 cartridge, and then inside the grip holds your magazine, which is double-sided, and there's 7 rounds on each side. It has a crossbolt safety. When you press it in from the left side is on safe. Of course, the right side is on fire. The trigger on this thing is fantastic. It's probably, I'd say right around 2 pounds. It's great for an air gun. So I'm gonna put a few rounds through it. I have a target cam running down range, and I'm doing this in my garage today because, well, it's raining outside. It's rare that we ever have a wet, cold winter in Southern California. Every few years we do have one of those, and this just happens to be one of those years. So I put a pellet in. I am shooting these Daisy flat nose pellets. Okay, let's see how well this pistol does. And I am holding dead center on the target, and the target's only about 12 feet away. Yeah, it looked like it hit a little high center. Can't tell, did that go in the same hole? Okay. Looks like it hit about, what, 4 o'clock? But this is a very well made air gun, pellet gun. Oh, a little high. And those targets are only about 1 1/8 in diameter. So that group isn't that bad. Oh, just outside at 3 o'clock. Let's do one more. I don't want to make this video too long. Oh, I knew I pulled that one. But there it is. Just a few shots out of my brand new Webley Nemesis. This is a fantastic air gun. I actually highly recommend this. It's so well made. Very nice. Not sure, but it kind of looks like the bolt handle can be changed to the right side for left-handed shooters. But there it is. That's all I got for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.